welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing purchasing a car under an LLC. A lot of you are probably wondering why you should purchase your car under your LLC. That's because for most business owners, it's a way to reduce your personal liability, safeguard your privacy, plus you may be able to deduct most vehicle maintenance costs when filing your business income taxes. There are also a lot of other advantages of buying a car under an LLC, and that's why a lot of business owners choose to purchase or buy their car under their LLC. Purchasing your car under your LLC allows you to take advantage of a lot of perks. The first perk is privacy. When you buy a car under your LLC, you'll list your LLC's information instead of listing your personal name on the vehicle title, the dealer warranty, the loan release, and any other corresponding documents. So if anyone tries to search for the vehicle's owner, they won't be able to find your personal information. Now, do keep in mind that the article of organization that you file to start your LLC is public record. So if you want to protect your privacy any further, then you will need to get a registered agent that will allow you to use their address for your public business filings. The second is liability protection. One of the best reasons to buy a car under an LLC is liability protection. For example, if you get into an accident involving your LLC's vehicle, if you cause injury or property damage during that accident, your liability protection can prevent you from personally having to pay legal fees, medical fees. In addition, your LLC assets could be protected from any personal debts. So if a creditor were to take legal action against you or your property owned by the LLC, it will be protected. Another advantage is tax deductions. During tax season, you can deduct vehicle expenses such as oil, gasoline, wiper fluid, or any unexpected repairs on your business income taxes. However, keep in mind that these deductions often require maintaining detailed records of your mileage, receipts, and corresponding bills. Things to consider before you buy a car under your LLC. Buying a car through your LLC has its advantages, but there are things you may want to think about. For example, the IRS will request proof that you're using the vehicle for business purposes. You can also typically do this in a written statement. However, the IRS may request additional documents such as a map of your daily route or verbal confirmation. You also may be required to submit mileage logs, relevant receipts, bills to justify your expenses that you wish to write off. For example, Boston, Massachusetts assesses $25 per $1,000 each year of the current car's value. Although every business will have to pay property taxes, it could be an additional expense. So I would recommend checking with your local IRS or searching online. When you buy a car under your LLC, you could end up paying more money in the long run. For example, interest rates for business-related loans tend to be higher than personal loans. In addition, commercial auto insurance is often more expensive because they cover for more damages than individual plans. Plus, if you use your personal car more than 50% of the time for business purposes, most insurance companies will automatically consider your vehicle a commercial vehicle. A commercial vehicle resulting in a higher monthly fee. Now, how you want to buy your car under your LLC is you want to establish a business bank account. When an LLC purchases a car, the LLC must make all related payments. To establish a business bank account, you'll likely need to provide your bank with a copy of your LLC's EIN number, employer identification number, and business formation documents. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website. There is no fee. Number 2, consider financing options. You can get a loan through your dealership or shop around at local banks and credit unions. However, lenders may ask for copies of your personal credit history, especially if you're a newer business. In addition, you might have to provide a personal guarantee promising you or another individual will take fiscal responsibility for the loan if the LLC fails to make payments. Number 3, you have to register your vehicle. After purchasing the car, you'll need to register your vehicle with your local DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles. You'll need to register the car under your LLC's name, not yours. Registration fees will vary between states and are typically determined by the vehicle's year, current value, and weight. In addition, your county may assess additional fees or taxes. For example, Texas has a base fee of $50.75. However, most counties assess a local fee that averages around $31.50. In addition, all states require the vehicle pass an inspection before registering. Number 4, get car insurance. You will be required to get car insurance regardless of where you live. However, you'll want to purchase an auto policy under your LLC's name, not yours. Commercial auto plans cost on average between $900 and $1,200 a year. Now let's go over frequently asked questions. Can my LLC buy a car for business and personal use? Yes. However, using a car for business and personal reasons may reduce your overall tax deductions. For example, you won't be able to deduct any mileage acquired through personal use of the vehicle, so you'll need to keep track of business mileage versus personal. In addition, you won't likely be able to deduct mileage for your daily commute. Another question is, can my LLC deduct the cost of a car? Yes. Section 179 allows you to deduct part or the entire cost of the LLC's car. Third question, how does my LLC deduct business mileage? There are 2 options for deducting your business-related mileage. The first option is a standard mileage rate. You multiply your annual mileage by the current IRS standard mileage rate of 57.5 cents. Note that this method does not allow you to deduct expenses such as gasoline, repairs, insurance. In addition, you can't use the standard rate mileage if your business owns 5 or more cars. Or if you decide to take Section 179 deduction, you will take your actual car expenses, deduct your actual car expenses such as gasoline, repairs, insurance, oil changes, registration fees, garage rent, and tires. All businesses will qualify for this method. If you qualify for both methods, you may want to determine which option may give you the most significant deduction. Another question is, can my LLC claim the depreciation on the car? Yes. However, the business must use the car at least 50% of the time for business reasons and business purposes only. Generally, there are 2 methods you can choose from, which is a general depreciation system or straight line. The first option allows you to take a bigger deduction the first year, then smaller ones in subsequent years. Straight line means you'll have the same deduction amount for the lifespan of the car. According to the IRS, automobiles only have a lifespan of 5 years. So regardless of what method you choose, you are only able to take a deduction for 5 years. To determine and submit your deduction, you'll need to file a Form 4562 along with your business taxes. I hope this was very helpful, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you would like me to make more videos like this, please put that down in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Mwah.